Hiccups occur when you have abnormal contractions of your diaphragm. It pulls down and then quickly pulls back up and closes off your vocal cords, and you hear this hic sound. We don't know exactly why people get the hiccups, but you can get more hiccups when you're under stress. Your vagus nerve and your phrenic nerve are involved in this abnormal diaphragm movement. People will hold their breath to get rid of hiccups. When you hold your breath, you're trying to do a manual override with your diaphragm by not letting it move. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.